Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope that you don't hear all that ruckus in the background because next door they're actually building new apartment complexes by a different owner. So if you guys hear all that, I apologize. But what I'm going to be doing today is actually detailing, well, I'm not going to use that word, but I'm actually going to be cleaning the engine bay on my Volkswagen. And what I'm going to be using is a microfiber towel from the Rag Company and a bottle of all-purpose cleaner from Adams. Now, if you guys saw in the last video, when I changed the oil, you might have noticed all the dirt, debris, all the crud that's in the engine bay. So I guess it could be worse, but it definitely needs a little bit of love. Now, a lot of people will use a pressure washer or a foam gun, a foam cannon, or a pump action sprayer to douse the entire engine bay in a cleaning product or a soap or whatever solution they're going to be using. And I like to spray it on a towel, direct contact. I'll spray it on the plastic area that I'm going to be cleaning and then wipe it away with a towel. That way, just in case something touches one of the electronic pieces or the connectors, it doesn't actually short anything. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the product on the valve cover plastic, and I'll show you guys the difference. Okay, so I cleaned the valve cover plastic there, and if you guys see, there's a little bit of streaking going in the corners, like right there. It's not fully dry yet, but I do recommend you guys apply this product in the shade. If there's sun contact with this product, it will dry really, really quickly and possibly leave streaking behind. But I'll show you guys how to use this product now. All right, next you're going to take in this case I'm using a dirty microfiber towel from the Rag Company. I didn't want to use any of my Adams towels because it's probably going to be a one and done towel. But just take your towel and wherever you sprayed, just wipe it away. And if your engine bay is really, really dirty, then of course you're going to need some agitation with a brush of some sort. I got actually pretty lucky with this. The engine bay is not really dirty, it's just dusty. But you want to make sure if there's any liquid behind from your cleaner to wipe it away before you apply any dressing. Now, the reason I like to spray the product either on the towel or directly on what I'm going to be cleaning is because in this case the car is somewhat clean on the outside, and if you spray way too much, if you're not controlling your fan pattern, or if you're using a foam cannon and you get a degreaser like I'm using all over your paint, it's probably going to strip a good amount of your protection that's on the paint, unless it's an actual ceramic coating. This is a ceramic paste wax, so with it having the 33% silica infusion, it's probably going to remove some of that because it's not an actual ceramic coating that which turns to a glass when it dries, when it cures. So I'm gonna finish up removing all the all-purpose cleaner that I sprayed, and I'll show you guys what I used to dress it. Alright, so after you've already cleaned the engine bay to your liking, you're going to want to either protect it or dress it. As you guys can see on the lower valve cover portion, there's a streak there. I didn't dry it in time. But after you've already cleaned everything you want to clean and you want to go ahead and dress it, a lot of people like to use Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. I'm actually going to be showing you guys Adams In and Out spray. Now this is their aerosol version of VRT, which is a water-based dressing. It will not leave any sling, it's not greasy to the touch, it dries within seconds, and the In and Out spray was designed for engine bays. So as with any aerosol product or any canned compressed air product, you want to shake it up really well. Those are the directions. If you guys want to pause the screen and look at it, you can, but it works on plastic and vinyl, so no leather. If you get it on your paint or your glass, it wipes right off really easily. So after you have everything clean, just shake it up a little bit, and you want to spray about, I'd say, a foot away from the plastic or whatever. So I'm probably 12 inches away from the plastic, so here we go. I guess this can, the nozzle itself it's actually getting caked up with this, or gunked up with the aerosol, so I'm releasing every few seconds so it'll dry up and I can keep using it. Well, sorry guys, this demonstration isn't going as planned, but it's certainly coating the plastic, which is the point behind this video. It's just not liking the fact that it's being used. I'm trying to hold it as vertical as I can. See, it kind of like just stops spraying for a second. So that one I actually got a little too close, and it's probably going to dry splotchy. But just like a tire dressing, you can wipe it away. So if there's any high spots, you can just wipe it away or level it out with a microfiber towel. So most of it is coated. Alright, so I figured out the can's issue. The white top that lets the aerosol come out was actually twisted the wrong way. Shockingly, I didn't know it had to be a certain way, so I just rotated it a little bit and it was coming out pretty good then. So as you guys see here, I went ahead and put another layer on, and it looks really good, and it's dried at the touch, looks clean. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll put all the products that I use in the link, or I'm sorry, in the description below. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.